The Eastern Caribbean Central Bank, ECCB, with support from the Taiwan International Cooperation and Development Fund, is using its Generative AI and Python summer camp to equip young people across the region with the technical and professional skills needed to compete in a rapidly changing digital economy. Now in its third year, the camp has introduced a major new element, giving participants the opportunity to work directly with real businesses and organizations on real-world challenges. For the ECCB, the Generative AI and Python Summer Camp is more than a summer program. It is part of a broader effort to prepare young people for the future workforce and contribute to economic transformation.
What the camp does is that it arms our youth to be able to have the competences to compete at a global level in the digital space. And this is what it's all about. If we transform the workforce.
This year, participants from across the ECCU are being taken beyond stimulated projects and placed in a real-world environment. For the first time, they're working directly with enterprise clients, including businesses and public sector organizations, to identify problems and develop solutions.
When you have a real client, what you do is immerse our young people in a real life skills, a real innovation lab. You have real clients, you have real projects, and now you really inspire our young people to do all that they need to do, to dig deep, to go beyond what they thought was possible, to meet and I would say even surpass the expectations of clients.
Telly Ono, instructional design specialist, lead trainer, and hub coordinator, Chatbot Edition, says the real client approach has also helped students develop confidence and professional skills.
The key skills that they really learn, number one, is really problem solving. They all had several meetings with their clients, so obviously they learn how to now do consultative engagements. They build their confidence in that way so they can conduct client interviews, do requirements collection. So basically each team, we train them on how a real development team actually works.
The experience has already given participants a different perspective on what it means to work in the technology sector.
We had the honor of creating a chatbot for the Aspire program, which is an initiative in St. Kitts and Nevis. It's been really fulfilling. I, as a 16-year-old, having the honor of working with the Aspire program.
A lot of persons used to tell me that I'm a bit self-centered, so I've worked to cover it and in working in large sum of group, because now I am leading a group of 30 members to be exact.
It was stressful at times for sure, because you know, these are real clients and real people with real needs, and having to meet their needs and make sure you make a product that is good enough to not only satisfy them but satisfy their customer engagement. So it was challenging, but once we got it done, it felt really nice.
It was an incredible and transformative experience. We worked as a team and we built up a foundation on coding, and I feel like I developed my presentation skills and communication skills.
And it is not only the students that are seeing the value of the experience. Facilitators say the program is helping young people move from simply learning about technology to actually applying it to solve problems.
They realized to themselves what they can do together as a group and as a team.
This program is really advanced, right? What they're doing is things that, to be honest, people in 5 years' time will be like, wow, why didn't I do that before, right? They're at the forefront of technology.
The 2026 Generative AI and Python Summer Camp is sponsored by the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank in conjunction with the Republic of China, Taiwan, in partnership with the Ministries of Education in the various ECCU countries and delivery partners. The camp will culminate with a showcase on August 28th, when participants will present their innovations and projects.